All right, let's build full body strength and control with a dumbbell wide stance squat to shoulder raise. This move hits your glutes, legs, core, and shoulders in one powerful flow. Start with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes turned slightly outward. Hold a dumbbell in each hand in front of your thighs, palms facing you. Lower into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Drop down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as your mobility allows. As you stand, raise the dumbbells up in front of you to shoulder height. Keep your arms straight but not locked, and squeeze through the shoulders at the top. Control the weights as you lower them back down while returning to your squat position. Common mistakes: don't let your knees cave in, don't round your back, and avoid swinging the weights. Keep your chest up and the movement smooth and intentional. Need a modification? Use lighter weights or perform the squat and raise separately. Want more of a challenge? Add a pause at the bottom or slow down the tempo on the raise. Stay grounded, stay focused, and move with strength and control every rep.